Hi friends, Fossy here, and today we're making pad thai in the backyard. Alright, this is the simplest backpacker's pad thai recipe ever. You need 1 packet of ramen, you need some kind of nut butter, and you need some kind of hot sauce. That's it. Let's get started. Step 1, boil your water. Step 2, add your noodles. Step 3, drain the water. Step 4, add the stuff that came with your ramen. Try not to make a mess. Add your nut butter and sauce to taste. And there you have it, easy pad thai, backpacker style. Now you can eat it. I'll list the full recipe down in the description box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to support small YouTubers like me. I'm Fossy. Happy Vlogmas!
Hey, the gorilla's loose!